On number 7, Way Back Home. In this movie, the Jung Yoon is a man who is married to the woman Jong Bae and they have one daughter named Haerin. Jung Yoon and Jong Bae runs a small car repair shop together. Although they don't have a lot of money, they work hard and feel content with their life. Everything changes for them after the friend of a Jong Bae commits suicide. The Jong Bae signs a loan for his friend as a guarantor. Prior to his friend's suicide, he has to pay all the loan by himself, and because of this, his condition becomes very critical. And then he wants someone to travel, and then he meets his another friend who wants someone to travel to Paris and France to export the gemstone, and her wife agree for doing this because they have no money left because of their house are gone and everything has gone. So his parent left and she goes to the Paris airport. Jung Yoon is arrested now and she learns that she is arrested for transporting the large amount of cocaine into the country. Her harrowing struggle to find her way back home begins here, and the ups and downs begins here. This is also the movie which is really based on the real story which will melt your heart. On number 6, The Whistleblower. Lee Jun-hoon received the widespread acclaim and media attention after successfully cloning the human embryo stem cell. A TV news program PD Yoo Min-cheol received a phone call from an unknown source. The unknown source is the Shin Min-ho, who has done the stem cell research with the Lee Jong-hoon in the past. The Shin Min-ho blows the whistle on the Lee Jang work. Results were fabricated along with the other unethical practices. The PD Yoo Min-cheol believes Shin Min-ho and decide to take his story to the public, and everything the roller coaster game start. On number 5, there is Attorney. The Song Woong-seo graduated from the high school and eventually passed the bar. He is now an attorney in Busan specializing in the tax law. The only reason that he became an attorney is for the money. Unlike the other attorney around him, he hands out his business card to pick up clients. One day his views are changed by the student activist Jin Woo. Because of this, the Jin Woo is brutally tortured and put on trial. Song Woo-seo decides to defend the Jin Woo as his clients, and now the man who has become the attorney only for money is doing his job very loyally and fighting for the innocent boy whose name is Jin Woo and who is a really non-guilty boy. And go and watch this real story and you will really going to love this movie. The story is also the real. On number 4, The Hang On-ju. The Hang On-ju is really a heart-wrenching movie, the real story. The most recent film on the list of the real story is almost the most personal, Gong-ju, which translates as a princess in English. Struggled to rebuild her life in the aftermath of a traumatic attack. While she is forced to leave her family and the home, the story flashes back into the past to reveal what actually happened to the once happy living girl. The film is based on the story that shocked the nation and caused the public outrage when it occurred back in 2014. And it is an incredibly emotional and powerful viewing experience. Don't miss this movie, friends. On number 3, we have The Children. The Children is a movie on March 26, 1991. The local elections are being held. Since it is the school day off, the 5 boys of a village set off to the nearby mountain to catch the frog and never return. Their parents tried to get the police to investigate right away, but the authorities are more busy about guarding the election polls. The entire nation talked and prayed that these children will return safely. Days later, thousands of police set on the mountain to search for the clues as to what may have happened, but nothing turned up. 11 years later, in 2002, the children's bones were discovered on the mountain, and everyone became very shocked. On number 2, we have Memories of Murder. Memories of a Murder to the right is a movie in which it is one of the based on a story real movie, and it is one of the South Korea's first serial killer. So in between 1986 and 1991, the 10 women from the ages of 14 to 71 were found raped and murdered in a Honsong located south of Seoul near the city of Suwon. The case is assigned to the 2 local detectives Park Do-man and Jo Young-gu, and they are joined by the detective from Seoul who requested to be joined to the case as he really wanted to work in this case, whose name is Seo Tae-yoon. From the fact that not a single hair is found at the scene, the detective Park takes off to search the area temple public bath for people with a follicular disease, while Seo finds a pattern in the evidence of a woman wearing a red on a rainy day as the victim profile. On a rainy day, the detective set up a trap in order to forestall another murder. The next day, however, yet another woman is found murdered and with an umbrella spread through her pubis. The solution to the murder grows fainter, and the drive the detective to ever greater despair, and they begin their work more aggressively, because now they want to catch the murder anyhow. And then another murder set up once again. And then go and watch this movie. It is the real best movie and a really thrilling movie. On number 1 we have Massacre Girl. It is a movie in which the based on the true story posted by the host Sik Kim on the internet, in which he narrates his love affair with his girlfriend. It is a mega hit that often draw comparison to the Titanic movie. A young man sees a drunk cute woman standing too close to the track at the metro station in a Seoul and pull her back. She ends up getting him into the trouble repeatedly after that. Starting on the train, the Kyung Woo, who is the boy who is ashamed into assaulting the girl because the other passenger mistakenly thinks she is his girlfriend. Once he helps her, and then Kyun Woo develops a deep sense of a responsibility for this girl, which enables to him to tolerate the girl's abuses. The Kyun Woo, who soon finds himself in a relationship he didn't ask for, but soon unable to forget this sassy girl. Go and watch this most romantic and a unique love story, which was a really big hit and a real story.